Chapter 1. Introduction to Python. Welcome to Introduction to Python, the foundation of your Python programming journey. This chapter is designed to guide you through the basics of Python, starting from scratch. You'll learn essential skills such as writing and running Python programs, understanding Python's data types, and working with files and functions. By the end of this chapter, you'll have the confidence to write a simple script that reads data from a CSV file and performs basic calculations, laying the groundwork for more advanced programming tasks. The chapter is structured into 7 sections: Introducing Python, an overview of Python as a language, its features, and how to set up your environment. A first program, writing and running your first Python script. Numbers, working with integers, floats, and basic arithmetic. Strings, understanding text manipulation and string operations. Lists, exploring Python's versatile list data structure. Files, reading from and writing to files. Functions, defining reusable blocks of code. Through these topics, you'll build a strong foundation in Python programming, enabling you to tackle real-world problems effectively. Python is a versatile and powerful programming language, widely recognized as a high-level, interpreted language that is easy to read and write. Often categorized as a scripting language, Python's design emphasizes simplicity and flexibility, with a syntax loosely influenced by the C programming language. It was created in 1990 by Guido van Rossum, who named it after the British comedy group Monty Python, reflecting its creator's vision of making programming approachable and enjoyable. Today, Python's combination of simplicity and power makes it a go-to choice for developers across diverse domains, from scripting to complex application development. To get started with Python, you can download it directly from the official website, python.org. It's recommended to use Python version 3.6 or newer, as these versions include the latest features and improvements. Python was designed to bridge the gap between the complexity of C and the limitations of shell scripting, offering a balance of simplicity and efficiency. This makes it ideal for a wide range of tasks, from quick scripts to complex applications. Once installed, Python can be accessed through your terminal or command shell. By simply typing Python, you can enter an interactive mode where you can execute Python commands directly, experiment with code, and test ideas in real time. This terminal-based interaction is Python's native environment and an excellent way to become familiar with its capabilities. Python's interactive mode can be a powerful tool for exploring its features and performing quick calculations. For instance, in Exercise 1.1, you can use Python as a calculator to solve real-world problems like calculating profits from stock trading. After performing a calculation, the underscore variable automatically holds the result, allowing you to reuse it in subsequent operations without retyping. This makes repetitive calculations more efficient. In Exercise 1.2, the help function is your gateway to understanding Python's built-in functionality. By calling help on functions like abs or round, you can quickly access documentation directly within the Python shell. The interactive help viewer also allows you to explore Python's features in detail, making it an essential resource for learning and problem solving. Interacting with Python directly by typing out code is a highly effective way to build a deeper understanding of the language. In exercise 1.3, you're encouraged to type code manually rather than relying on copy-pasting. This deliberate approach allows you to think through the syntax and logic, improving retention and comprehension. When working with the Python shell, you can paste only one statement at a time. For instance, try snippets involving arithmetic, loops, e.g., range, or multi-line statements to familiarize yourself with Python's flexibility and structure. Pro tip: while copy-pasting may seem faster, typing code yourself helps you internalize the language's syntax and nuances, ultimately making you a stronger programmer. In exercise 1.4, you'll explore Python's capabilities for working with live data by querying a bus arrival API. This advanced exercise demonstrates how Python can retrieve and process real-world information efficiently. Key steps: import libraries, use urlib, request to fetch data from the web, download and parse XML, retrieve the API's XML data and process it using Python's built-in XML tree element tree module. Extract useful information. Use simple queries to filter and extract key details, like bus arrival times, and display them in a readable format. Example workflow: import the required modules, fetch the data from the API endpoint, parse the XML structure to identify the relevant elements, such as less than pt greater than for predicted arrival times. Notes: in some environments, proxy settings may need to be configured for internet access. Additionally, if you're using Python 2, upgrade to Python 3.6 or newer for compatibility with this exercise. This example highlights Python's ability to handle tasks like web scraping and XML parsing in just a few lines of code, making it a versatile tool for automating data retrieval and processing.